In this video, we will take a look at C++'s built-in character data type. To create a character, we specify the char type. For example, we can create a char variable named letter that we set equal to the letter A inside of single quotes. When we have one letter inside of single quotes, it is what we refer to as a character. Another example of a character variable would be a char named grade that we assign a value of B inside of single quotes. We can also create multiple character variables on one line, separated by commas. For example, we can create a char variable A set equal to A, then a comma, B set equal to B, then a comma, C set equal to C. This line of code creates three character variables A, B, and C, and sets them equal to their respective character values. Aside from these examples of characters, there are also escape sequences that have special meanings in C++. An escape sequence goes inside of single quotes, then comes a backslash, and then a character. Here's a list of the different character escape sequences. One example is the new line character. To see an example of this escape sequence in action, let's output to the console our variable A, then the new line character, then the variable B. When we run the code, notice that the character A is output to the console, and then the character B is output on the line after that, thanks to the new line character that we utilized. Another escape sequence is the horizontal tab. For example, we can output a tab, and then the characters A, B, and C to the console. When we run the code, notice that A, B, and C are indented with a horizontal tab.